doing, Radhi?
Dentist.
What are we going to go do?
Fix the teeth.
Yeah. Are you scared or you not scared?
I am not scared.
You're a brave girl. Come. So we are off to the dentist. Both Tarak and Radhya are going to get some preventive care done for their teeth, which they're supposed to do at 5 years old. So we go to this clinic called Peak. It's run by from 5 years old it starts. So we go to the clinic called Peak Dentistry. It's run by Dr. Kritika and her husband Dr. Ashwin. They've been a family doctor for more than 10 years. And the funny story is, after my wedding, from the wedding hall, I went straight to the emergency because I had swallowed half my tooth. I swallowed when I was getting married to Appa. And Dr. Kritika only fixed it when I went. And now she's become a friend and she's also our dentist. And I'll tell her to explain what preventive care we're doing for Tarak and Radhya, which if you haven't done it for your kids yet, kandipa panunga.
Also, we need to brush our teeth every time.
Oh, your teeth. Yay! Don't put your tongue there. Show your beautiful gap. We have to get it checked, no? 1 to 15 in Spanish, please.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Wow. Hi, Tara. How have you been? Be patient, be so fond of the dentist, you know. Did you know that? You put on nice chubby cheeks. You look nice like this. Eat nicely and be like this, okay? Mama Chuma got you? For what? What are we going to do today? We don't know. We're just going to make your teeth become much, much stronger. You know? It's very, very easy. Do you brush your teeth twice daily? No. Okay, can we brush our teeth twice daily from now on? Promise? Thank you for that. And I'm just going to do something in addition to make your teeth a little bit more stronger. Okay? You like caramel? Chocolatey? Yeah? So I'm just going to apply something that's going to taste chocolatey caramelly on your teeth. And you just have to leave it for 1 hour and then your teeth are going to be really good. You might not get cavities if you really take good care of it. Okay. Did you know that all of that can...
And fruit.
Fruit is good. Fruits you love chocolates, right?
Every time we eat all of that after fruit.
Yeah, every time you're eating all of that after fruit. I think you should eat it.
Chips first and juice.
No, don't eat chips. Juice also is not so great. Because but it tastes very nice, right?
Fruit and juice.
Fruit and juice you're eating. For now. So, you just brush. You're doing a great job with brushing. I'm very happy with it. Okay? Now that we'll do this fluoride thingy also, it's going to be really good for your teeth. Okay, baby? No complaints from my side. Good job. Yeah? This is dentist activities. Okay? I take this and put it on your teeth. Nothing will happen. And then you know about this, right? You watched this before.
Cleaning.
Yeah, this is drying. I'm going to dry your teeth with this, okay? I'll dry.
Are you going to brush my teeth with this?
No, I'm not going to brush your teeth and all. Your teeth are already clean only. Right now, let me start applying this. Look straight. Okay, open your mouth, lift your head. No. Close it. Somebody's teeth are getting stronger. The champ is here.
Can I have a silver teeth?
You want to have a silver tooth?
Yeah.
Why you want to have a silver tooth? Because it's so cool.
Yeah.
Let me first check your existing teeth. Something is there, no? Yeah. Open. I'm just going to spray air, okay? Is it easy? How does it taste like? What does it taste like? Tell me.
It tastes like
Wet things?
vegetable.
Vegetable? Which vegetable?
And then
Onions. But was it painful or no?
then
And it took what, 5 minutes? Ah. Taru, she's being nice to you, Taru. When she does for me, it pains.
Aww. Open.
Ah.
We can do 2 times.
Huh?
We do 2 times, or 2 times, or 2 times. Why is that grass?
Why is there grass? How will I have an answer to that? Is this my house?
Amma, look. Look behind. Okay.
So tell us what we did today and why do we need it?
Okay, so today we basically did 2 procedures for Tarak and 1 procedure for Radhya. Both are aimed towards preventing cavities. One is called fluoride varnish therapy, which was done for Radhya and for Tarak, and the other one, which we did specifically for him, is pit and fissure sealant. Now, when you use a fluoride varnish on the tooth, it reinforces the enamel, makes it that much more resistant to breakdown. So you don't develop cavities that faster. But still, you need to brush twice daily. There's no discounting for that. And where we do pit and fissure sealant, in case like Tarak is where he has very deep grooves and fissures on his teeth, which makes it difficult for him to brush and maintain. So cavities are much higher in such cases. So in such situations, we just treat it with a chemical and seal it with a resin. There's no drilling involved, so it's just sealing of these grooves or fissures to make it easily cleansable. That's it. So these two are actually one of the most simplest form of professionally administered cavity prevention protocols. If administered in children, is known to reduce cavities by about 80%. So that's what the evidence says.
So what age do they need to do it?
It usually typically starts from 3 years of age, and varnish application starts from 3 years of age. You do it twice in a year, and you follow it up as much as 18 years of age. So it basically covers the entire spectrum of tooth shedding and tooth erupting. So as and when the new teeth erupt into the mouth, they will be protected with this fluoride varnish. That's the concept. And pit and fissure sealants is not mandatory for all kids, but at least specific kids in whom these grooves are deep will benefit by this sealing procedure. And when to get it done, it depends on how cooperative the kid is, because I cannot do this procedure very easily in a kid like Radhya. She's too young to cooperate, but Tarak is old enough, and then that's a good age to do pit and fissure sealants. That is done both for milk teeth as well as permanent teeth.
So how often do kids need to visit the dentist?
Kids, adults, everybody needs to visit dentist twice in a year.
Except Rayane.
Yeah, Rayane is an exclusive here. But yeah, twice in a year is only because it's not to clean your teeth or to render any procedure as such. It's basically for a dentist to check and see if your teeth are in the right space. Because when a cavity develops, it takes about 3 to 4 months to progress. So in that count, if you just visit your dentist once in 6 months, you can rest assured pick these cavities at a very early stage and prevent it from progressing further. So that's the whole logic. And some may need professional cleaning or this pit and fissure sealant application and fluoride varnish that can also be administered periodically. So I think if you look at dentistry as a oral health wellness initiative rather than going to the dentist when you have pain, we are much nicer people. Yeah, we too like smiles and we don't like to inflict pain on people.
Okay, thank you and see you never. What are you doing?
I did all these. I did. No, keep it low. Why do you have a trophy?
Oh, we won that trophy. Then we were practicing during COVID.
You were just born.
Yeah, we were just born at that time. So they recognized the clinic as one of the best clinics in India and they gave us the trophy.
Wow.
Look what I did.
Wow. Okay, say bye, let's go. See you.
Bye-bye.
Little bit.
What?
Mine is disgusting a little bit.
You said it was nice. Now you're saying it's disgusting. What did the dentist say? You have to brush your teeth how many times a day?
All of
She said 2 times a day and you have to visit the dentist twice a year
Why?
so they can check your teeth and make sure there's nothing wrong with it. So tell me,
What?
was the dentist scary or was it fun?
Fun.
Yeah?
But I don't like normal art.
You don't like the taste?
Yeah.
But
Can
was
it
it
take
painful?
Kind of.
It was?
Kind of for me.
Yeah, because you had some dirt in your pallu. And you, was yours painful?
No.
I hope you learned something from this video, and remember, brush your teeth twice a day and visit your dentist twice a year. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.